Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute sunflower scrunchie. Insert your hook into a hair tie. Hide this tail of yarn under a stitch. Pull up yarn, make one chain. Insert your hook into tie, pull up yarn, make one single crochet. Make single crochet stitches in first round like this. Make single crochet stitches in first round until here. I make last single crochet stitch, go to first chain, top of first stitch. I show like this. Insert your hook into this chain, slip stitch. Change color, insert your hook into any stitch. Take this yarn, pull up yarn, make a chain. Take tail of yarn on your hook, pull up yarn, repeat twice. Make one more chain. Yarn over twice, go to this stitch, make one treble crochet. Make 1, 2 chains. Take these 2 yarns on your hook, slip stitch. Twice yarn over, make 1 treble crochet. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Go to this stitch, slip stitch. Go to next stitch, slip stitch. Go to next stitch, slip stitch. Make 4 chains. Yarn over twice. Go to this stitch, make 1 treble crochet, 2 chains, go to this yarns, slip stitch, yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet in this stitch, make 4 chains, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, and repeat these stitches for next stitches. And repeat second round like this. 4 chains, 1 treble crochet, 2 chains, 1 treble crochet, 4 chains, slip stitch, slip stitch, and make second round. slip stitch, and make last stitch. 4 chains, 1 double crochet stitch, 2 chains, slip stitch, 1 double crochet stitch in this stitch, 4 chains, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch.